the changing of the season. Don't ask me if I recall how it all began. Silhouette down my hall, thrown by the sunlight, and we both knew it was right. Little did I know it all. With the changing of the season, from summer into fall, and the falling of the leaves, and wind blowing down my hall. She said she had her reasons when she said she don't love at all. But little did I know it all. Little did I know it all. With the changing of the season, and first snowflakes fall and they cover up the leaves,